Here's a little tip for starting a grill quickly. I have my charcoal chimney here full of charcoal briquettes, but you can use lump charcoal. And I have 4 half paper towels, so 2 full sheets. You could use other paper towels or other paper sources, but these work the best. I think they soak up the olive oil the best and will allow this to burn for quite a while. And then I start this and then put the charcoal chimney on top. And that'll burn for a good few minutes. The nice thing about this method is you don't have any lighter fluid and it works every single time and it doesn't add any adverse smells to the charcoal. A few minutes later, it's still burning. We can take a look at what that looks like. So those flames would be wicking up into the charcoal and getting it going. And okay. That's too hot. I had to take my hand away. And here we are, a few other minutes elapsed, and we can see it's gone out. That's about ready. We can see flame shooting up there even. Now I'd say it's about ready to turn. I wait until about half of it is lit, and I realized that I overfilled it, but the top half is already like warm now and will light more quickly. I use this to spread it out a little bit. And another few minutes sitting open and it should be ready to go. And then this I set on something metal so that it doesn't burn my deck. I started the corn cooking a little bit early because it takes longer to cook. And I leave it uncovered to get going. And we're ready to go. Steak. Put it on at a diagonal. And let it set. So that's it. This is not a how to cook steak video. Like, comment, subscribe. When I'm done cooking, I will cover the grill and seal it off, and that stops the combustion so the charcoal can be used next time.